Hi guys, welcome to Olive Board's YouTube channel. So this is a special session, a very short one for, of course, IB ACIO Tier 2. But before I begin, firstly, congratulations to all those guys who have cracked IB ACIO Tier 1 exam. Now the second stage, and then we have interview also. But of course, you know this is extremely important. Now that you have cleared Tier 1, Tier 2 preparation, how to get 35 plus in your descriptive paper in your Tier 2 is what I'm going to share, right? So just listen carefully. There might be pointers you I think would like to, of course, implement. And any query or anything related to IB Tier 2, if you have any query, of course, any doubt, any confusion, you can ask in the comments below, right? So anything about Tier 2, because even I don't want my students to miss this Tier 2, because you have cleared Tier 1. Of course, you've given the exam. It was not that very easy, and I don't want you to miss this one. So for Tier 2, here is a strategy how to score 35 plus. So let's go to the PPT here. Right. Now, here, first thing, we already have a course for all of you, and we are starting this course from 12th of April, which is specifically for IB ACIO Tier 2. Now, what is the best part about this course is that you would be given personal guidance, right? So for each of your essay, for Pressy, for your course RC, your answers will be checked by the experts, right? So you'll get the essays evaluated, you will get the, of course, expert feedback. Pressy writing, there will be so much of practice in the session that you will be very confident about it, right? So you will get to write your summaries in the class itself, and there will be an expert present. Of course, I'm also taking the session, so I will be there to help you with the Pressy, to evaluate it right live, and of course tell you what are your errors. So yeah, you'll get PDFs, you'll get live class, and it will cover everything about your descriptive. Okay, so enroll for this course if you really want to prepare hard for Tier 2. Next, paper pattern. I think everybody is familiar with this. You'll get just 1 hour time, first thing. Now, essay, Pressy, and RC divided in 3 parts. 30 marks maximum weightage for essay is given. Then RC and Pressy are equally 10 marks, right? And a composite time of 1 hour. Total is 50. Now, like, of course, you have read the title of the of course video, which is 35 plus you have to score, and that should be your target, even more probably, right? But that is minimum 35 plus, right? Of course, because here we are talking about selection. Here we are not talking about the first stage of the exam. You have already cleared that. So Tier 2 extremely important. Now, how to do that? Please, first thing, offline or paper, online. I got this query from a lot of you. It has been offline earlier, right? Now, till now, it is not clearly mentioned anywhere as such. Probably when you will get the exact date for your descriptive, it will be mentioned, it will be there, so don't worry about it. Now, how to practice if you don't know whether it will be offline or online? For certain Pressy and essay questions, start writing. For certain, start typing, right? So if you're taking, for example, in a day, 2 questions, one you can, 2 essays for practice, one you can type, one you can write. But yeah, your preparation should be such till you are clear about it. So offline or online, till now they have been taking offline, but let's see what happens. You'll get to know that, don't worry about that. First part is, of course, your preparation about the format, about the approach of writing and content. Basically, you focus on that first. How to score 35 plus. Now I want all of you to understand, when it comes to your marks in descriptive, biggest role is played by format. Highest marks weightage, or you can say half marks. Suppose 50%, I would say, is given to your format. And to know the correct format and to follow the correct format is the easiest thing on earth, right? Don't go wrong with your formats, right? So here we have essay, you all know the format well. Here we have Pressy. So when I talk about format, it also includes rules. For example, if I talk about rules, right, which we follow in Pressy writing particularly, right? Format we follow for essay, you know how many paragraphs are there, right? So Pressy writing rules, and if you go wrong with the rules, then of course you lose marks. First thing to keep in mind is format or the rules whenever you are writing these descriptive questions. Second, I want you to focus how to score 35 plus. See, RC is one thing you already do in your which exam? Objective paper, any objective exam for that matter. it will just be a basic revision. And when you start preparing RC, you'll cover for other important exams also. It's not something you're doing separately. So RC only 5 questions and 2 marks each. That is how it is 10 marks. So 2 marks each, 5 questions will be asked. Now you may be given to write these answers, right, or type these. Now what we have done is objective. That is a total different thing. Here also you have to remember that your passage is there to help you. All the answers are there in the passage. You just have to frame the answers correctly. So again, practice is required. So you pick up any RC, even the objective one, but try to mark the answer on your own. Like the practice approach for this will be, and so when you're doing this, you pick up any question, just write the options. So any question you pick up, you try to write the answer on your own. Okay, you will not get questions like tone, because again that will be, one that can be numerous tones. You can describe a passage in numerous tones, right? Similar tones, I mean. So that is won't be possible. So mostly passage questions will revolve around something which is already mentioned, and which is has to be understood by the reader, right? So just do the general RC questions without seeing the options. Try to write the answers on your own. Right now, practice. How would you do, or how would you follow? What strategy would you follow? Now, even sequence is very important. What I suggest is, personally, this is my personal opinion. You might differ, or you might want to go the other way, but you decide for yourself. But what I would say or suggest is Pressy, then RC, then essay. This should be a sequence of answering if you're given a choice in the exam. Why? Also because Pressy writing and RC will take less time. Here, essay takes the maximum number of time. Now you focus in preparation time will be on essays, content preparation. You will have to read to score 35 plus. What you have to do is make notes on essay. So for generic topics, for general topics, right? Make your own notes. Notes means, how will you make your own notes? Write 15 points on a particular generic topic, right? For example, cybercrime. One example I'm giving you as cybercrime. Now, if I take this topic, cybercrime, I will write 15 very interesting points. How will I prepare these, right? Where will I get the content from? Good content, because good content again carries marks, weightage. So the content is that what you have to give time to. So this you will be getting in from newspaper articles, editorials, right? You just Google. How will you Google? Just search the topic and check where in the recent article it has been mentioned, read about it, and make your own 15 points. It doesn't have to be from one article. You can read a variety of stuff, paragraphs about it, and then make your 15 important points, just points. Till first do this. First cover all the notes or points for each of the topics. How many topics to select? Now we'll of course share the list of important essay topics, but the generic ones, the general ones, the current ones is what you should know. So 10 to 12 topics, probably minimum 10 to 12 topics, right? This is how you need to prepare on the content part. Work on the essay content part. RC, do the normal questions from your Olive Board English Simplified book, or mocks. Just don't see the, of course, options. Just write your answers and then check through options. It's a very good way of practice if you want to. So how to score 35 plus? RC, if you go and if you practice like that, you will get the confidence, and it will be very easy for you to score in RC. So the general questions that you do, Olive Board questions, whether in class or whether not in live sessions, whether a recorded session or whether you do it in your, of course, mocks, what you do is you see the options. But here, try to write the question, take a pen and a paper with you, try to write the answer of that question, and then compare it with the option. You will know exactly whether you were right or no, right? So you'll get the answer also. Now, Pressy writing, very important. I will be sharing the rules of Pressy in my batch. So, and of course, there will be a live practice of this. Pressy, I will help you completely with it. It is summary writing. This also needs a lot of practice. Now, why I'm saying attempt these two, right? First, and then we'll attempt essay, because this might take less time. It's not a lot of words that you have to write in both of these. Essay, because it is 30 marks, you will have to write a lot. Also, your preparation strategy, balance all the three, right? So each day, because now you don't have to take chance for tier 2, each day you do one Pressy, one RC, one essay. That is enough, but analyze it, and you can always come for our feedback. You can always ask me for my opinion, feedback, evaluation for this. In the batches, we are of course providing you with evaluation. Why? Because you want to know your weakness or where you are going wrong in these things. Now, for people who are not very good at writing or who feel they're not confident, if I ask you today to write your introduction and you're not so confident, please start it today itself. Initially, you might feel you're horrible with the writing part, but slowly you will see you're improving. Slowly means we don't have so much time for tier 2, but what you can do, the best part is descriptive can be prepared in limited days, but the best part is that you need to do at least first a lot of writing or at least a few hours of writing each day. So manage that first. Okay. So hope this is clear, guys. Right? RC, begin with that because that will be easier for you. Press C and simultaneously make your general points after reading for essay writing. Most of it will be provided, content for essays, many important topics will be provided in the batch itself. Other topics you can add on to your list, right? So hope this is clear and helpful. Hope this is clear and helpful, guys. Right. So this was my advice for all of you. Yeah. What I would like to tell all of you is please begin reading a lot because you would require that. And reading in the sense of now be specific, prepare what topics you would like to, plan and prepare beforehand for essay writing. Write those topics 10 to 12. Then read accordingly. Whatever article you're getting in relation to that topic, read it, right? And then make your points. Points is very important, and this helps us also eliminate any grammar errors, spelling errors. When we write, we come to know, right? Are there any spelling errors we are facing, are there any grammar errors we are facing, and then we correct it in the next book. So write here. You can't take any shortcuts. Please write, get it evaluated, and join the course as soon as possible. Thank you and stay tuned with Olive Board. In the end, please don't forget to mention any query in the comments below. Thank you.